So hi everyone, welcome to my studio and welcome to our first lesson in the Drawing Botanical Blooms book club. I'm so happy you're here. So I know many of you are still waiting for your copy of the book, so I thought our first lesson doesn't necessarily have to have the book in your hands, and I thought we could go out and do a little bit of exploring our local area and doing a bit of I guess a scavenger hunt kind of thing. But this is a really fantastic way to get to know some of the flowers that are in your local area. So here in Spain, I have lots of hibiscus, bougainvillea, we have a lot of African daisies, and we have a lot of wildflowers as well. So I love going out and exploring and just seeing what kinds of flowers I can find. And obviously I can't pick all of those flowers. Some of the wildflowers I do pick because they tend to come along and chop quite a lot of the wildflowers down. So I figured it's totally fine for me to pick those if they're going to come and chop them down as well. Everything just grows super fast here in Spain. What I would like you to do is you can go out into your garden, your yard, you can go to a local park, you can even go to your local garden centre if you wish to as well, and just go and have a look and see what kinds of flowers you are drawn to. And then on page, I've put a PDF as well into this lesson, so if you haven't got the book yet, you've got a reference. But on this page here, 28, there's the flower shapes section. So I thought it would be fun to go out into your local area and take the download with you if you want to print it off or put it on your phone or iPad or something, and just take a look around your area and start to identify the shapes of the flowers that you find. And it will be really interesting just to see what you can actually find in your local area. I mean, just briefly looking at this for myself, I've got a lot of morning glory actually, and we have a lot of these types of shapes. I think, these are very easy for us to find as well. So it would be really great just to see what you guys can explore and find in your local area. So I've put those into a PDF, and you can just print that off and take that with you. If you want, you can even cut out the flowers from the PDF and maybe put them into a journal or something if you wanted to make some notes of what you're finding when. That's another fun thing to do. And if you want to as well, that's obviously the flower shapes. But here we've got the different geometry areas as well. So this is on page 32. And this is a very simple way, I guess, of looking at flower geometry. There's obviously a lot more complicated formulas and sacred geometry which is associated to a lot of flowers and nature. But I thought this was a very straightforward way just to kind of start to identify the different shapes. So if you want to, have a go at doing that as well. So I hope you have fun. We're going to start doing some actual drawing in the next video. I'll pop some ideas of just some basic materials that I use. That information is in the book as well, but I'll put that below here so then you can prepare and gather your materials. Okay, so thanks again everyone for purchasing my book. I'm so excited to be travelling on this journey with you, with drawing some botanical blooms, and I think we're going to have lots and lots of fun drawing and looking at different flowers, and I'm just so glad you're here. Alright, so thanks again everyone, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, bye.